I am an optometrist, so I'll be doing eye exams, and this is my 5th Vosh mission. The number of people that you meet culturally and just the places you get to go and that you wouldn't have the opportunity to go is amazing.
It's just very rewarding to work here and help people that really appreciate what you're doing for them.
Seeing how much they appreciated what we do for them was the big thing for me. It's just been the most amazing experience.
The work that we do, helping people see, the children, I love the children, and the people are all very grateful for what we do. That's why I do it.
It's just, there's no joy like see this little kid able to see sometimes the first time in their life.
It's beautiful to see service above self in action. It's good to see these passionate people serving others.
The fact that sometimes when we walk in and there's 200 people standing there and they start clapping, I mean, none of my patients are ever going to clap when I walk in the room, so it is a really great feeling.
Giving back to the community here, so it just grounds you so much. I mean, you just walk away feeling overwhelmed with the joy that you get for really helping people. Obviously at home you do that and it's wonderful, but here the appreciation that the people give you is just phenomenal.